या चण्डी मधुकैकभाविदैतगलनी या माहिषोन्मूलिनी या धूम्रेक्षणचण्डमुण्डमथनी
Ogumuni, the welcome to the Mahadevi. The clear blue sky, floating like cotton, a spontaneous joyous feeling when the first daylight breaks into our ISPS campus meditation hall through the subtle window. And the most important, the sound of the musical instrument dhag, which creates such an intoxicating sensation in the heart that can't be expressed in words. To most of us, the homecoming of the mother during these Navaratris is also signified by certain changes in environment. The wonderful smell of the siuli, the parijat, the jasmine flower, and a brilliant sight of the kash, saccharum spontaneous grass. It is the entire world around us that keeps on adding to the warmth of welcoming the mother year after year. A true Ogumuni indeed. Shrimataji ISPS family offers at your holy lotus feet a true Ogumuni in your Navadurga form on these auspicious days of Navaratris. Ogumuni, Oma, please come. Ogumuni.
Dhastha Shashi Shekhara मरकटप्रेक्षा चतुर्भिर्भुजे शङ्खं चक्रधनु शराश्च दधति नेत्रैस्तिभिः शोभिता आमुक्तं धडखननूपुरा रणकाञ्चीखननूपुरा दुर्गा दुर्गतिहारिणी भवतु रत्नोलसकुण्डला जागो तुमी जागो दुर्गा जागो दश प्रहरण धारिणी अभया शक्ति बल प्रदायिनी तुमी जागो जागो तुमी जागो तुमी बड़ोदा अजला अतुला प्रणमी बड़ोदा अजला अतुला बहु बल धारिणी रिपुदल मारिणी जागो मा शरणमयी चंद्रिका शंकरी जागो जागो मा जागो असुर विनाशिनी तुमी जागो जागो दुर्गा জাগো দশ প্রহরণ ধারিণী অভয়া শক্তি বল প্রদায়নী তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি জাগো।
Jai Shri Mataji. The dhak is a huge membranophone instrument from India. The drum beats are the integral part of the Durga Puja. The dhak is played by the dhakis. We say dhakis on the rolls of the Malla kings of Bankura in India. In ancient times, the mother goddess was worshipped on the rhythm of dhak. Durga Puja doesn't assume the festive aura unless and until the frenzied rhythm of the dhak fills the divine atmosphere in the ears of the listeners. The enchanting beats are enough to conjure up to the sights and the essence of Durga Puja. To please the Devi, now we offer the glimpses of ISPS Navratri festival, which was held in session 2019-20 last year, followed by the artwork which has been displayed by our ISPS students. But the background is the musical instrument dhak. So if you feel like dancing, you are welcome. Jai Shri Mataji. Jai Shri Mataji. Now we all listen to the holy words of Shri Mataji.
You can't imagine how a mother who has so many beautiful children sees them in such joyous mood with their families, their children nicely settled down. It's very satisfying to see you all so much in joy and complete oneness with the divine. One has to realize only one thing, that though you are many, still compared to the population of this world, we are very few who really know the true knowledge, the real knowledge. You are the people who are knowledgeable, no doubt, but also knowledge which is not being adorned with truth, or which is not the true knowledge, has no meaning. All that vanishes into thin air because it is artificial. By your Kundalini awakening, you all have achieved that state where we can say, you know what is the real knowledge is. But think of the people who do not know what knowledge is. We take, for example, we say that our knowledge is nothing but love. But one should understand the discrimination. The knowledge that is love within you is just emitting out from your being. You don't have to assert, you don't have to think, you don't have to read some sort of poetry or go into some romantic mood. It's just pure love which emits, and this is the knowledge also. How you have to relate it is this way. The knowledge that you have about yourself is evident, is absolutely expressed on your fingertips, and about others also. You know about others and about yourself. This is the greatest subtle knowledge you have. No one knows like that. Apart from you people, no one knows about themselves or about others. So this knowledge that has come to you, which is extremely subtle, extremely secretive, absolutely secret. If you know about somebody, you know. Others do not know that you know about them. And so this knowledge that you have got is nothing but love. It's very difficult to make knowledge and love put together, because our idea of knowledge is very different. What we read from the books, how can you love from the books? What love means, our attachments. To us, in ignorance, we get attached to people, to children, to family, to things. By getting attachment, it is proved that we do not have the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, then all attachments should just drop out and you should become a global personality, a drop in the ocean. For example, we are attached to many things, like we are attached to our family. Something happens in the family, we get very disturbed. We can't bear it. If anything happens to our children, we think horrible, it's just the whole world is falling on you. Then from family you move on, you are attached to your friends, to your neighbors, you are also attached to your country. Attachment to your country is also not knowledge. Once you are a realized soul, you just start seeing your country clearly. What wrong it has got. What ignorance it has got, in what darkness it exists, and in what way it is quarreling, fighting for rights and things. But with the knowledge that you have within yourself, you see it so clearly what is the problem of your country. Then you try to improve that through your love. Means the power of your knowledge is love. If you have all the knowledge within you, and if you are just sitting at home and meditating, it is no meaning. What you have to go is to go about, tell people. You have to meet other people, your friends, your family, and other relations about your knowledge. If you cannot go do that, then your knowledge is not with love. It's such a connection between the two. You feel like telling everybody that you've got your realization. You feel like telling everyone that you are a realized soul. But in that you feel that you are expressing your ego. All right? By some other way, some other methods, you can express to them that you have the true knowledge. When you have the false knowledge, you can get ego. You can think that I know so much, I know about this, I know the color of the carpets, all the shades, everything. Any stupid thing, if you know, you think that you are very great. That's the sign of stupidity in your head also, that you think this is very great to know. Now we have discovered that through all kinds of acquiring knowledge in the whole world, what we have achieved? Nothing. There are wars going on. There's all kinds of destructions coming in. I saw in the television this George, it's a whirlwind which is going round and is killing so many people, is destroying so many people without understanding what he is doing. But he's there and he's acting very well. So, is it that he doesn't understand? Or is it that he understands and that he's doing something just to correct people? This also we should have full idea. Like yesterday, when I came here, it was raining heavily. And then I sat down and suddenly stopped. Stopped till the whole program was over. Till I spoke, it was not working. But suddenly when you started clapping, also it started clapping. That's what it was. So even the nature knows who you are. But you must know the nature. This is the point. Nature will act according to what your level of spirituality is. Surprisingly, I always felt that there cannot be levels of spirituality. I felt that once you get realization, you are there. But later on discovered I was wrong. It is not so. Even after getting realization, I found people had so many obstructions in rising. There were so many temptations which were keeping them down. So one had to work out on different chakras, different nadis, somehow or other to make you perfect.
Jai Shri Mataji. Now let's listen to what the students of ISPS have to express about the heart chakra. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. Goddess Shri Durga and Shri Jagdamba reside in our center heart, Anahat Chakra. The Anahat Chakra has 12 petals. It has ruby red color. Element is air. Its weekly day is Friday. Musical note is Ma. Musical instrument is tabla. Its planet is Venus. Country for Anahat Chakra is England. In India, Calcutta is a place for Shri Durga Mata. She gives us security and confidence. Jai Shri Mataji. कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा
Jai Shri Mataji. Now we present the song offering to Devi Durga by Miss Kalavati, who is our esteemed resources of the International Sahaja Public School online art school. Jai Shri Mataji. जय श्री माता जी। शिव कैलाशों के वासी, धौली धारों के राजा, शंकर संकट हरना, शंकर संकट हरना। तेरे कैलाशों का अंत न पाया, अंत बेअंत तेरी माया। ओ भोले बाबा, अंत बेअंत तेरी माया, शंकर संकट हरना। Yes, now we have a spellbound performance by our ISPS class 9 student Ishwari Solaskar on the dance of Shri Shiva Tandav Stotram. So let's all offer Shri Sadashiva the holy flower and enjoy this composition, Shri Shiva Tandav Stotram, on the dance by Ishwari Solaskar. Jai Shri Mataji.
जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां तवड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम्। जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणम् जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि। ॐ नमः शिवाय। सदाशिवं भजाम्यहं सदाशिवं भजाम्यहम्। ॐ नमः शिवाय। प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलंबि कंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध कंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे। अखर्व सर्व मंगला कला कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे। नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं। हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनाथु शङ्करस्य चिन्त विमोहनं हि देहिनाथु शङ्करस्य चिन्त विमोहनं हि देहिनाथु शङ्करस्य चिन्त।
Jai Shri Mataji. Ma Durga resides on the Vishuddhi Chakra of Sri Krishna. The holy offering to Sri Krishna, who is blessed by the Bhagavati. We offer at the lotus feet of Shri Mataji the Krishna musical instrument, flute, by none other than but our very own Miss Amrai. Jai Shri Mataji. Agiri Nandini, Nandithi Medini is a very popular Durga Devi stotram. Mahishasur Mardini is an incarnation of goddess Durga which was created to kill the demon Mahishasura. Aigiri Nandini is addressed to the goddess Mahishasur Mardini. Mahishasur Mardini is the fierce form of the goddess Durga, where she is depicted with 10 arms, riding on a lion and carrying weapons and powers given by all the deities. Stotram begins with the prayers by the deities and devotees. So now you have a spellbound performance by our ISPS students on this dance drama Aigiri Nandini, which is choreographed by Miss Svetlana, our official dance teacher. Jai Shri Mataji.
I am impressed with your devotion. Tell me, son, ask your boon.
Brahmadeva, neither the Devas nor the Asuras can destroy me. No child, no man, no animal can kill me.
That is not possible, Mahishasura. Every breath should go back to the soil. So should you.
If I have to die, only a woman with utmost power can lead me to Yama.
A woman? Tathastu. Let it be so.
शितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोचनि घोररते धनुजनि रोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि दुःखनिवारिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधु कैटभ भञ्जनि कैटभ भञ्जनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलं कमलानिलये वरिवश्यति योऽनुदिनं स शिवे अयि कमले विमले कमलानिलशीकरसेव्यमुखाम्बुरुहे तव पदमध्य हि शिवदं दृष्टिपदं गतमस्तुमभिन्न शिवे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते स्थितस्तु समाधिना नियमतो नियमतोऽनुदिनं पठे परमया रमया सतु सेव्यते परिजनोऽपि च तं भजे परिजनोऽपि च तं भजे
कैटभ विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि
धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि रक्तबीज वधे देवी चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि
निशुम्भ शुम्भ निर्णाशि त्रैलोक्य शुभदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि वन्दिताङ्घ्रियुगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं च मां कुरु रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि देवी प्रचण्ड दुर्दण्ड दैत्यदर्पनिशोधिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि
मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
तेरे चरणों में, तेरे चरणों में, तेरे चरणों में, तेरे चरणों में मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
के सहजी में द्वार तेरे आया, मन के मंदिर में तुझको बसाया।
मन के सहजी में द्वार तेरे आया, मन के मंदिर में तुझको बिठाया।
करूं वंदन नमन कर दो कुंडली जागरण, करूं वंदन नमन कर दो कुंडली जागरण, लेके आया हूँ आस तेरे चरणों में। मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
मुझे रब ने क्यों इंसान बनाया, कौन हूँ मैं क्यों दुनिया में आया।
मुझे रब ने क्यों इंसान बनाया, कौन हूँ मैं क्यों दुनिया में आया।
क्या है मेरी पहचान, दे दो मुझको ये ज्ञान। क्या है मेरी पहचान, दे दो मुझको ये ज्ञान। आत्मबोध की है प्यास तेरे चरणों में। मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में।
मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर दो भला, मैं तो करूं अरदास तेरे चरणों में। मेरी माँ निर्मला मेरा कर
the Navratri time. The launching of the festivities begins celebrating the Shakti. Nava means 9 and Ratri means night in Sanskrit. The 9 forms of the Devi are worshipped with dandiya. The clockwise circle around the Devi represents the wheel of life and time, signifying that life rotates, but divinity is eternal, constant, and remains forever. The whole collectivity participates in the dandiya with Jaiti. Let's enjoy the collective dance movements representing eternity of the yoga around the Devi. Jai Shri Mataji. It was fine. Jai Shri Mataji. Now we offer at the lotus feet of Shri Mataji a humble offering from the ISPS music teacher and official singer Mrs. Madhu Doshi, the song Jogwa. Jai Shri Mataji.
Adi Maya Amba Mai, Adi Maya Amba Mai, तुझ्या चरणी करते दावा, मागती जोगवा आई मागती जोगवा, मागती जोगवा आई मागती जोगवा. योगिनी दयानी मोहिनी भवानी
Jai Shri Mataji. So we all the children of the Mahadevi are the reflection of our mother. So let's have a glance towards Shri Mataji's pleasing Swarupa. Shri Mataji was offered the holy Dhak instrument. On this background, the auspicious Shri Durga mantras are being taken. Let's all offer our obeisances and reverences to the Holy Devi. Jai Shri Mataji.
ॐ ह्रीं दुर्गाय नमः 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 गन्धपुष्पे एतत् सम्प्रदानाय ॐ ह्रीं भगवद्दुर्गाय नमः ॐ नानागन्धसमायुक्तं नानावस्तुविभूषितं नानाफलं समायुक्तं नैवेद्यं प्रतिगृह्यताम् ॐ अमृतस्फरणमसि स्वाहा ॐ प्राणाय स्वाहा ॐ कृणाय स्वाहा ॐ समनाय स्वाहा ॐ अमृतैरचितं दिव्यं ननागन्धमनोहरं पिष्टकं विविधं देवी ध्यानमवस्थितम् ॐ आवर्णं हितसंहितं फलोतं मूलसंहितं मया निवेदितं भक्तार्तिहान् परमेश्वरि ॐ नानाफलसमायुक्तं नानावस्तुसुशीलितं रघुनन्दे प्रच्छति गृहान् परमेश्वरि ॐ मोदकं स्वदकं पुष्पं शर्करादिविनिर्मितं सुरसं मधुरं भज्यं देवी तं प्रतिगृह्यताम् ॐ लङ्कितं परमं नानारूपविनिर्मितं सुमिष्टश्रवणं देवी तदेतत् प्रतिगृह्यताम् ॐ जलं च शीतलं स्वच्छं नित्यं शुद्धं मनोहरं पानार्थं च प्रयच्छामि गृहान् फलवल्लभे ॐ अमृता विधानमसि स्वाहा ॐ अमृता विधानमसि स्वाहा ॐ अमृता विधानमसि स्वाहा ॐ विष्णु ॐ विष्णु ॐ विष्णु ॐ तदविष्णु परं पदं सर्वभज्यन्तो सुरक्षयं सुदिनं सुजातम् ॐ मन्दाकिनास्तु यद्धरि सर्वपापं हरं शिवं गृहाणात्मन्यां तमया भक्ता निवेदितम् ॐ हिमापो मया देवी तवो पानितोलेह पिता अचामय महादेवी पिता शक्तिं प्रयच्छमे ताम्बूल ताम्बूलं शोभनं देवी कर्पूरादि सुभाषितं मया निवेदितं भक्ता ताम्बूलं प्रतिगृह्यताम् दुर्वा ॐ नमस्ते सर्वगे देवी नमस्ते सुखमस्पदे दुर्वां गृहां देवी तं मम निष्कळङ्किनीस्वात् ॐ चण्डिकाय विद्महे भगवत्यै धीमहि अन्नगौरी प्रचोदयात् एष चन्दनो एष सुविन्दनो पुष्पदुर्वा बिल्लिपत्राञ्जलि ॐ जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपाली दुर्गा शिवसमाधत्री स्वाहा नमस्ते। ॐ ह्रीं भगवत्यै दुर्गाय जप्यै नमः। ॐ ह्रीं भगवत्यै दुर्गाय जप्यै नमः। ॐ ह्रीं भगवत्यै दुर्गाय जप्यै नमः। ॐ ध्यायन्ती दुर्गो गोपश्रीतं ध्यानमस्कृतं जपं सिद्धिं भवतु देवी तं प्रसादं महेश्वरी। ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गले शिवे सर्वस्वसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्ते।
Jai Shri Mataji. With the background, the Himalayas, the Sthan Devi, Shri Guna Devi, Shri Mataji's form of Durga that protects the entire sthana of Talnu and Nadi, along with the 5 elements, all the Devi Devtas, all the subtle sages and rishis who are meditating in Himalayas, all the ISPS staff as well as students and parents. Let's all stand together, hold our hands and hearts to offer Shri Mataji's Arati. Jai Shri Mataji.
सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जग में संकट कारण कितने दिए अवतार माँ, कितने दिए अवतार। विश्व में तेरी महिमा, विश्व में तेरी महिमा, तू गंगा यमुना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जो भी शरण में आया सुख ही मिला उसको माँ, सुख ही मिला उसको। बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, लौट के ना जाना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। मानव में अवतर के कर दिया उजियाला माँ, कर दिया उजियाला। कलयुग में माया है, कलयुग में माया है, फिर भी पहचाना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ सबको दुआ देना। संत जनों की धरती है भारत माता, माँ है भारत माता। इस धरती पर आकर, इस धरती पर आकर दुख से दूर करना माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ सबको दुआ देना। जब दिल में आए तब मधु संगीत सुन लो माँ, मधु संगीत सुन लो। हो सके जो सेवा, हो सके जो सेवा हमसे करा लेना माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निरमल माता जी, जय निरमल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना।